Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Main General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. Of the four events mentioned below, which was the last to take place? The first event is the Cripps mission. The second option is Simla Conference. The third one is Cabinet Mission Plan. And lastly, we have the ratings mutiny. So we need to find the correct answer among these given four options. And here we just not only give you the right answer, but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into the answer. Cabinet Mission Plan was the last in chronological order to take place in Indian freedom struggle history. The United Kingdom Cabinet Mission of 1946 to India aimed to discuss the transfer of power from the British government to the British government to the Indian leadership, with the aim of preserving India's unity and granting it independence. Okay. Most notably, the cabinet plan did not approve the demand of the Muslim League for a separate state Pakistan. Okay. So therefore, option 3 is the right answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all. Thank you very much.